Help from this question from the test series number 9, 1 marks problem. Subject is signal system, topic is introduction to signal system. We have one signal ft and we want to convert it to the gt with the help of time delay and scaling. So what I need to do is, like, I have one ft, I am applying some time delay and some scaling. So time delay by a and scaling by b. So basically I am doing it by making it by bt plus a, right? I'm doing a scaling by bt and time delay by a, and this bt by a should be equal to my gt, right? So now if I will just take a b as a common, so it will be t plus a by b should be equal to gt. T plus a by b of what? T plus a by b of ft. So basically I have a ft signal which is present between 0 to 1. Now I am subtracting both sides by first of all doing a scaling of b. So it's like 0 by b and 1 by b. Then I am doing advancing by a by b, so minus a by b and minus a by b, and this will be converting this g2. This operation will convert the gt into ft into gt, and my gt is this much, 3 to 5. So just compare both the side. You will have 0 minus a by b is equal to 3 and 1 minus a by b is equal to 5. We need to find the value of b. So basically a is equal to minus 3b. Put the value of a here. So 1 plus 3b is equal to 5b. So 2b is equal to 1. So b is equal to, so b comes out as 1 by 2. Question says that find the value of a, right? We need to find the value of a here. So if b is 1 by 2, then a is minus 3 by 2, which is minus 1.5, right? So value of a is basically comes out as 1.5. okay, so magnitude of a is 1.5. so a is equal to minus 1.5. that is will be your answer. Thank you.